Get ready with me while I show you my on-the-go makeup. It takes 5 minutes. It's a very easy, natural, glowy look. For complexion, I'm going to use the No Makeup foundation in the shade Natural, and I'm going to just apply with a little brush. I always like my skin peeking through a little bit, so I just do a little light hand for that natural look. And this foundation goes on effortlessly beautiful. Okay, so that was the first step. I applied the foundation. Now my skin looks clean and even, which is the goal. And now let's move to the next step. Okay, so the next step is applying a lipstick. It could be like this mauvey, rosy color or whatever color you like. And I just apply it as a blush and as a contour as well, just to give me like that summer sun-kissed look as if I was like in the sun. And I like to use it also on my eyelids just to marry everything all together. Another one of my favorite hacks is enhancing my beauty marks. I like using a freckle pen and I just go over the beauty marks that I already have. I think freckles are effortless and beautiful, and you should enhance your beautiful freckles. Another one of my favorite makeup hacks is using a lip stain because it just lasts all day and it just gives you like that flushed wine kiss lips. So I'm going to be using this lip stain. It looks crazy at first, so trust the process and don't judge. So this is another hack I love because it just keeps the lips looking moisturized and hydrated all day without having to reapply any more makeup on them. Just have to let it dry for a couple minutes and then you'll have your lip color in a sec. While I let the lips dry up, I'm going to do my brows. I like using a clear brow gel for this. I feel like since my brows are already done and kind of thicker, I just clean them up. I keep them pretty simple like that. I'm going to go in with a little bit more blush. I feel like there's never enough blush for a natural look. So I like to pile that up on top of each other. Just blending that in. Okay, so I love this brush. This is the No Makeup brush. I've been using it to apply my foundation and all of my blushes. I just love this brush because it's a multi-use product. I've been using it for everything and it's not like caking together or anything. It's just like applying everything really beautifully. You can even use it for eyeshadow. Now I feel this dry, so I'm going to take it off with a wet makeup wipe. It's very easy. Okay, one more hack that I have is I love doing my lip liner with the shade that matches that stain. And then after I do the lip liner, I like to also apply the same liner as eyeliner. And that is another way to just keep it natural, but match everything all together. You just elevate it a tiny bit more. And another thing that I did off camera was curl my lashes and add mascara, and a light coat of it just makes it look even more elevated and pretty. And just to finish everything off, I like using a little bit of a lip buff for my makeup on the go, and that is it.